Yesterday, the judges of Pretrial Chamber 1 of the International Criminal Court unsealed an arrest warrant for Ronald Marapon de la Rosa. The arrest warrant was originally issued as secret on the 6th of November 2025. Mr. de la Rosa is alleged to have committed the crime against humanity of murder at least between the 3rd of July 2016 and the end of April 2018, during which no less than 32 persons were killed in the Republic of the Philippines.
Philippine court or a Supreme Court decision saying that a ICC warrant is as good as a Philippine court warrant, because in my view, in the Pangilinan versus Cayetano case, nakalagay doon that if any provision or any treaty is against the Constitution still prevail. And the Philippine Constitution said that the only valid warrant is a warrant of arrest from a Philippine judge. So does that make it constitutional? No, the Supreme Court also said that any law that when you apply it is against our Constitution, you have to read that law with our Constitution. And this is my question sa lahat ng nag-advocate niyan. Abogado pa naman sila, human rights lawyers pa naman sila. Ang Canada, kailangan ka muna dumaan sa korte nila. Ang Korea, kailangan muna dumaan sa kanilang Most if not all of the countries that are under the ICC has this rule. Bakit bukod tangi na gusto nyo ang Pilipinas ay pwedeng ang dayuhan ay dumating na lang at arestuhin ng isang Pilipino? Why do all other countries provide that their judicial authorities cannot be bypassed? Why are we insisting na ma-bypass yon? Ano ba mawawala sa atin na dadaan muna sa Philippine courts? Wala.
Pero sir, what if first po yung ICC warrant idaan sa Philippine court under Article 59 ng Rome Statute? Will the Senate order that?
Of course, because the Philippine court will be the one to issue the warrant.
But technically, the Philippine court would not issue the warrant, but will force the warrant from the ICC.
That's the same. I understand what you... Yes, because then it will be a Philippine court. Diba? So the example I gave, I forgot na, no? If I had a twin, Peter Alan Cayetano, may ICC warrant, ang hinuli, si Alan Peter Cayetano. Sa Hague na ako magpapaliwanag na, hoy, kaya nga sa Philippine court muna. Para if I have any defenses, doon muna. So nung bata ako, may kasabihan na hindi pwede yung sa presinto ko lang magpaliwanag. Diba? Dapat merong kang warrant or you're committing the act nahuli ka in flagrante delicto or while committing it, di ba? Pero yung sabihin lang ng, uy, kamukha mo yung pumatay last week, alika nga dito sa presinto ka. Hindi pwede yon. Kaya nga hindi rin pwedeng sa Hague ka na lang magpaliwanag. You know, all Senator Bato is asking for is his day in court in Philippine court.
Sorry sir, sabi po ni NBI Director Matibag, as a lawyer, kapag ka sinabing under protective custody mo, ibig sabihin ikaw ang responsable na ilabas yung tao. Kapag hiningi sa iyo, iyon po yung nasa rules of court, sinabi niya po yan sa malice presumption. What is the Senate stance on this and paano po ito i-enforce if ever na ito rin yung stance ng Senate?
Well, number one, sa 5 sinabi ni Director, 6 ang mali. Okay? Sinabi niyang ibibigay niya warrant, sabi niya ibibigay niya yung report, sabi niya papakita niya na hindi sila yung gumulpe, sinabi niya na hindi sila nag-i-inspection ng mga kotse, tapos sinabi niya paulit-ulit yesterday, walang NBI sa Senado. PNP na mismo nagsabi. So ang problema, the director seems to be lying to someone. He's lying to the palace, he's lying to me, he's lying to us, he's lying to So ayusin niya muna sarili niya. Diba? They're under investigation also eh. So, ilabas niya muna lahat ng facts bago kami mag-usap.
Pero as far as you're concerned, sir, pag protective custody, meron bang gano'n?
What does protective mean? Pro-protectionan mo. Oh. Pag ayaw mo na yung protection ko, arestuhin kita. Diba? So pag kayo sa media pumunta dito, sir, seek sanctuary, bakit? Sabi nila police, pero tingin namin hindi police, huling kami. Oh, umuwi sila, wala na. Sir, thank you sa protection nyo, uwi na ako. Oh, hindi naman to korte. Na yung korte kasi, pag sinabing under the custody instead of bail, di ba? So, instead of bail, pupunta doon. So, di ba? So, I mean, ang request ko lang from the government and from the NBI director, do statements na makakatulong. Di ba? Kung gusto niyong huliin si Senator Bato, they do your job. Eh, ang problema, pinagbintangan na nila lahat eh. Pinagbintangan nila si Senator Soto na pinapasok sila. Pinagbintangan si Senator Bato, hinabol daw siya dahil tumakbo siya. O pinagbintangan nila ang Senado, sinara daw namin. Kaya, di ba, they can do their job. I don't even know why they're involved.
Sir, yung preventive custody ba, physical custody?
Because he came here and he asked for the tradition to be followed that before he is arrested, two things have to happen. I-present ang warrant and i-exhaust niya yung legal So until last night, wala namang pre-present sa kanya. So how could I act upon something I do not have?
Pero sir, pwede ba nasa pa siya but still under...
He did not ask for that. He did not ask for that. And sa tono sa akin nung wife is that he's on his own. But we're praying for him and I hope he'll be okay.
Bakit yung wife ang nagte-test, hindi si Senator Bato mismo?
Maybe because of the electronic trace lang.